Samsung The Frame TV, 2021, Review. Beautiful as a picture. The best deals of today. With television sets becoming larger and larger, it has become increasingly important for them to blend into their surroundings. The Frame TV for 2021 displays works of art in standby mode and has a customizable frame that makes it ideal for wall hanging. The TV is as practical to watch as it is stylish to have around your home. From 32 inches, in a 1080p configuration, up to 75 inches in size, we have been testing a 4K 43-inch QLED model for this review. The Frame TV range for 2021 is now available. There are also models of 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 inches, 65 inches and 75 inches, which start at $1,099, $999 and go up to $2,599, $2,999 for the largest models. Normally, we discuss both design and TV software interface separately in our reviews. However, the Frame is a slightly different case, since both work hand in hand. Therefore, you will find here some information on both the exterior design as well as some of the software features that complement that design. It is true that the out-of-the-box set is not much to write home about, with its simple black frame. However, Samsung offers a range of individually sold clip-on bezel pieces that can be used to help the set blend into a variety of decors, from bold colors to wood finishes. The bezels on wall-mounted televisions make the TV appear more like a picture hanging on the wall than a television. Section enables you to upload as many as 16 gigabytes, 1,200 images of your own. Additionally, it is one of the easiest TVs to set up that we have ever tested. These simply snap into place on either side of the TV on the back of the screen, with no screws required. A tripod-like studio mount is available separately. With Samsung's One Connect box, the setup is simplified even further. There are 4 HDMI ports on the box, one of which is eARC compatible, another HDMI 2.1 compatible for 120Hz and VRR gaming though. The 43-inch screen we tested maxes out at 60Hz, as well as a digital optical output, Ethernet connection, a C card slot and 2 USB ports. There are both terrestrial and satellite tuners available, as well as dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for wireless devices including headphones, keyboards, and mice. There are shortcut buttons for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Samsung TV Plus, the company's free TV streaming service. But while one has a full array of rubber volume, playback, and channel selection controls, the other has a streamlined remote with only the most frequently used functions having dedicated buttons. It's easy to use. But its best feature is hidden on the back, a solar panel that will never run out of batteries. Art mode, as well as the rest of the Frame's interface, are powered by Samsung's Tizen operating system, which features extensively in the set. There is a wide variety of streaming apps available to download and use directly from the Frame TV, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, and local providers such as BBC iPlayer and Sky's Now TV. In addition, the Frame is capable of mirroring your other devices on its display. The SmartThings app for Android devices allows you to mirror your smartphone's screen on the TV, while Apple's AirPlay streaming technology is also supported. The 2021 model, however, does not suffer from any such problems. This QLED television is at the very least comparable to what Samsung offers at the high end of its mid-range lineup. In addition, the Quantum processor 4K performs well, motion is smooth, and 4K content is pristine. The best part is how well it handles lower resolution content, but is still a pleasure to watch, while 1080p content looks clear and detailed. As with the rest of Samsung's HDR range, points are lost for the absence of Dolby Vision, which is quickly becoming the HDR standard and is now even supported by the Xbox Series X. Nonetheless, HDR performance is impressive, with a noticeable vibrancy to highlights in our HDR10 Plus content. In the settings menu, we were also pleased to find Filmmaker mode next to dynamic, standard, natural, and movie image presets. Moreover, the television features an intelligent mode designed to optimize the image quality based on the content you are viewing, as well as improve the audio based on the content and the ambient sounds in the surrounding environment.